Good morning. Welcome back, students. So till now in this chapter, data representation and Boolean logic, we have totally completed the data representation part. Now onwards from this video, we will be starting with the second part, that is Boolean logic. Okay. Now understand, students. A computer does so many tasks. Suppose I give it a product, it can scan its barcode. Suppose I give it a QR code, it can understand what content is there in the QR code. Suppose I tell a computer to do any XYZ big amount of calculations, it can perform it within a fraction of a second. Okay. Now, what actually a computer system is made up of? It is nothing. It is made up of, you can say, motherboard and other parts. In short, a computer system is made up of circuits and all those things are there. Okay. Now, as we spoke again and again, circuits have only two states, on and off. So here we are going to introduce a new topic, that is Boolean logic. Okay. Now what is Boolean logic exactly? It allows us to understand how the circuits of a computer system actually works. Okay. It is a very big topic, but as per our syllabus we will be discussing whatever part is there. But just for you to understand, what is Boolean logic? It is Boolean algebra that deals with circuits and that allows us to, you can say, understand how circuits are actually operating, how circuits are taking input, how circuits are giving their output. Okay. Then Boolean logic was developed by George Boole in, I think, the near 1800s. Okay. Logic was developed in 1800s and his logic of this Boolean algebra or Boolean logic was later on used in formation of circuits for the computer systems. Okay. So I again repeat, what is Boolean logic? Boolean logic is actually Boolean algebra that deals with circuits and only deals with two values 0 and 1, and I hope you understand why it deals with only two values 0 and 1. It deals with two values 0 and 1 because any circuit is an electrical component and it has two parts or it has two states, on and off. So it will deal with zeros, ones, on, off, true, false and so on, and it was developed by George Boole. Now there are certain parts of Boolean logic. Okay, first I will note down those parts and then we will explain it one by one. First one is Boolean variable. Second one is Boolean constant. Third one is Boolean operator, and students, the last one is Boolean expression. Okay, so majorly there will be four parts that is there in Boolean algebra: Boolean variable, Boolean constant, Boolean operator and Boolean expression. If we understand these four parts, then we are, you can say, ready to start with Boolean algebra and whatever things are there in this chapter. Okay, now let us have a, you can say, short overview of all these four topics before we go into detail. Boolean variable, just as we, you can say, talk about a variable in Python, here also it is same. What are Boolean variables? Boolean variables are, you can say, memory spaces, or Boolean variables are, you can say, just characters or keywords which will store the, you can say, result. In our case, majorly result will be 0 and 1. So we can take any name of Boolean variable. Okay, we can take in capital, we can take in small, nothing special to speak. Boolean constant. Okay, Boolean constant means values that will be held by the Boolean variables. It is either 0 or 1, correct? It can be on or off, it can be true or false. Okay, so these are actually the Boolean constants. Okay, Boolean variables and Boolean constants are interrelated because Boolean variable will hold the value of the Boolean constant. Boolean operator, this is the most important part, pay attention. There are predominantly three Boolean operators that we will discuss. Number one is OR, plus is referred to as or. Second is and, dot is referred to as and. Third one is not. Exclamatory mark is referred to as not. This is called Boolean addition. Plus is or, dot is and exclamatory mark is not. We will discuss about them in a while. Now, using all these three, students, we can frame a Boolean expression. Boolean expression is nothing, just like a mathematical equation. Let us write one Boolean expression, any simple expression. Say a plus b. It is a Boolean expression. A plus b dot c. It is a Boolean expression. A plus b dot b plus c. So these are Boolean expressions. Okay. So students, I hope you are clear with this. What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is what is Boolean logic actually? Boolean logic is Boolean algebra that deals with computer circuits and deals with only 0 and 1. First developed by George Boole. Four major parts of this Boolean logic is Boolean variable, actually characters that will hold the value of these Boolean constants. What are Boolean constants? 0 and 1, true or false. Boolean operator, three major operators are there. Plus stands for or, dot stands for and exclamatory mark stands for not. And using all these three, we can frame the Boolean expression. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Now we will start detailed discussion of Boolean operators.